Hello everybody. What's up? How you doing? So if you're new here, my name is KP, and if you are not, how you doing, girlfriend? What's up? It's been a minute, okay? I'm aware. It's been a minute. Mama's working some shit out. Anyway, so today I did want to do a little P.O. box unboxing. My hair's driving me insane because I straightened it, and you guys know I don't love it. I always think that I love it when I straighten my hair. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna straighten my hair and I'm gonna feel so pretty. And then I do it and I'm like, bleh. It just looks like you need a haircut because I need a haircut. So yeah, that's my fucking day. Anyway, moving right along. If you guys remember, this backdrop was in my last P.O. box unboxing. Someone sent it to me and I love it so much. How beautiful is it? It's jellyfish. If you can't tell by the permanent jellyfish upon my arm. I love jellyfish. And I have been like really neglecting. My hair is just going to be the whole video. Welcome back to me trying to fix my hair, which I should have done before the video started. If you were expecting professionalism, you definitely stumbled upon the wrong channel, my dude. The wrong one. I am not the one. Anyway, I got 3 packages, and let's look at them. Okay, so first one looks like these. They're all from Amazon, which I love Amazon, so I'm really excited. But if you guys don't know, I have a P.O. box. The address to my P.O. box is in my bio on Instagram. This is from Kristy. Thank you, Kristy. This is a cute little package too. What's in here? Me being the dumbest person alive. Preparedness. Yeah. Who is she? We don't know. She brought scissors to open things. I'm like a brand new woman with baby hairs that make me look like comb over. You guys. Okay. I put on a hat because my hair was in my face and on my nerves, and it's just continued to be in my face and on my nerves even with my hat on. So I'm just gonna chop it all off. Like this video if I should shave my fucking head. Speaking of, you guys, I had no idea this was gonna be in here when I was just talking about jellyfish, but it's jellyfish. Ooh, jellyfish leggings. How cute. Oh my god. I love these, and they're that like slippy like button-up leggings material. Oh my god. So excited. Hope these fit me because I'm a little chunk now. But oh, thank you, Kristy. I fucking love these, and I'm gonna wear them all the goddamn time. I love jellyfish. Thank you. All right, I keep all these little like notes that say who everything's from because she's a sentimental ass bitch. So, all right, who is this from? Okay, make sure you guys give me notes so I know who's sending me stuff. Also from Kristy. Thanks again, Kristy. What's that? Kristy, you know me, girl. You know me. How fucking cute are these alien socks? They say, I believe. Oh, Kristy, you're my soul sister. I love these so much. You guys know I love aliens. Like, that is another thing. Super obsessed with. I am a believer, dude. I believe that aliens exist. And I fucking love these. How fucking cute. How cute. Thanks again, Kristy. You're the shit. I also love that you got me a small because you think I have little feet, which is just not true. I have mammoth feet. But I appreciate it nonetheless. They'll still fit me. Don't like worry. They're not like my actual monster feet, but I have big feet. That's like a weird thing that I'm insecure about, is my big ass fucking feet. Anyway, I have another one. Last one, you guys. Because all my video, me talking to fucking nobody because you could not hear me. All my videos are getting really short because I'm trying this thing where I don't ramble the fuck on for 30 minutes. I know it's super weird, but this is a big box. Is it also from Kristy? Let's find out. Is Kristy my new best friend sending me all this stuff? Yes. Hit me up, Kristy. Let's meet up for drinks. Oh my God. The Hope Diamond is in here. God damn, open. I'm just opening a box. Why does it sound like I'm setting my house on fire? Okay. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. What is this? Ooh, hold on now. This is something. Who is it from? Where's my note? Kristy again. Should have known it. Thanks, boo. It says, hey, KP, I remembered the fucking note this time. Happiest of birthdays to you. I hope you had a fabulous day, and I hope you love your gift. You're the freaking best. Love my wifey, Kristy. This video should just be called Kristy Buys Me Things. And that's the fucking title right there. That, Kristy, if you're watching this to this point, the title is now Kristy Bought Me Stuff. What is it? Okay, so I got boxes in the box. What the hell is this? 300 notes. They all say enjoy your gift from Kristy. Enjoy your gift from Kristy. Kristy, I think they wanted me to enjoy my gift from you. Okay. I like how this whole video is just going to be me struggling off camera to do something that's fairly simple, like open a goddamn box. What are you? Is that a goddamn bath bomb? This looks like the world's biggest motherfucking bath bomb. I'm gonna open it. That's what it smells like it is. And then springies. What are those? Beauty blender holders. I can't even do just one thing at a time. I'm pretty sure this is a giant bath bomb. That is exactly what the fuck this is. Hold on. Look at the size of this fucking bath bomb. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it's got little roses in it. Do you see the size of this thing? Okay, let's do it in comparison to a dirty ass beauty blender. But now my dirty ass beauty blenders have a place to sit, and I'm pretty excited. Okay. Let's open these. Oh, I love these little things. Actually, I almost bought one of these because it made sense to me to put my little beauty blenders in here while they dried. Oh. And it's a spring. I'm never gonna get anything done because I'm stupid and easily entertained. How cute is that? Thanks, Kristy. There's one more thing in here. But I can't stop playing with the other stuff. Hi. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Okay. Got me tipsy glassware. Girl, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so good. Okay. Am I stupid? Can I just not open things? I need help. Help. Someone that is smarter and better at stuff needs to come help me. Okay. Okay. Yep, we got a wine glass. What does this say? I do not spew profanities. I enunciate them clearly like a fucking lady. This is the best thing I've ever seen. This is the best garbage cup in the world. I love this. This is so great. Kristy, thank you. All this shit is amazing. You are clearly like a super unicorn army member because you know me so fucking well, and you know my love for getting drunk in the bathtub. So that is just the fucking coolest shit. Like, I am so excited. Like, number one, it blows my mind that fucking anybody gives a shit about me enough at all to send me stuff. And when I get more than like one thing and I'm like, oh, hello, I have arrived. But this is so cool. Oh. Kristy, thank you. I'm so excited. So if you guys know Kristy, tell her she's the best and how much we love her. We love a good Kristy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go because I want to go play with my new stuff. So I'm gonna get off here and go play with my new stuff. If you guys would like, you can give this video a thumbs up to tell Kristy that she's the shit. So also leave her a comment that she can read about how awesome she is and how she's our new favorite person. So move over, Scott. Kristy is taking the lead. I'm sorry, please keep helping me with stuff. Like, I didn't mean that. But also, Kristy, yes I did. Anyway, If you would like to, you can follow me on all my other social media accounts. You can follow me on Instagram at grungexglitterx, and you can follow me on Facebook. And what is my Facebook? I'm gonna stop saying my Facebook. I don't even use it. So follow me on Instagram and Twitter at grungexglitter. And if you can find that old ass Facebook page, you can look through my old shit, but like I don't post anything on there, so I'm really gonna stop talking about it. And I really should stop talking about Snapchat too, because like once a year I post a Snapchat. I can't keep up with all this shit. There's so much. So Instagram is really where you can find this bitch doing some shit. And I'll post about like I do Twitter rants because I get mad at things. So I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I'm actually going to film another video right now because your girl's feeling motivated now, especially that I got all my new cool shit. That's cool. I'm excited. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later.